And today we have some really, really exciting, fun stuff in store for you. Of course, starting with the introduction of my amazing partners in crime, which I'm pretty sure all of you would love to see, these two hot hunks together. And I've had the most amazing time shooting with them. We've gone across many different locations and put this film together, and it's been a lot of hard work and fun and adventure, but we're really, really proud to present it to you today. And so first things first, shall we bring on stage the two hotties, my partners in crime, Junaid and Kabir. What's up, Kabir?
How are you doing?
I'm Ishika.
First,
In case
Kabir.
you forgot.
how do you feel? Because we discussed this so much while shooting this film that we're putting in so many days, and you said, "Mehnat ka phal hamesha meetha hota hai." What do you feel?
I think we leave that to the audience to see the trailer, but the experience was absolutely fantastic, and there's someone who's really responsible for this amazing experience.
Yes.
Someone who's probably his brother, but my brother too. So I'm going to call him on stage.
My brother too.
Okay, your brother. And he's not only a brother, but a dear friend. Rohit, come on. Rohit, the director of the film.
Thank you so much, guys, for being here and just seeing the first glimpse of our labor of love today. And I'd like to just start off with a little backstory of how this journey of Dishum began. And it started off when my friend and writer Tushar Hiranandani came to me with a very exciting idea. And then we obviously sat on it for months, developed it, gave shape to it, and it turned out to be what you're looking at right now, which is called Dishum. And then I'd even like to take this opportunity to thank all my HODs. I had the most fantastic team in the Hindi film industry, starting with my DOP, Bose. He's one of the finest cinematographers in the country
Yes.
today, who's done a fantastic
Sorry,
job.
we
on
have
the
to
film.
applaud him for that. He's
My
so
production designer, Sukant Panigre, my costume designer, Subarna, my sound designer, Belon, and my executive producer, Manoj Mitra, who made it just seem like we have the easiest
And the
shoot
award
even
goes
in
to-
tough countries like, yeah, I'm sorry I'm making this sound like I'm winning an Oscar right now for Dishum, but this is just one platform that I want to use to thank the entire team that has made this happen. And my AD team, love you guys, all of you all out there. And most importantly, above all, the man who just made this all possible, let me dream big, let me discover my own wings and fly out there. My dream producer, Mr. Blockbuster himself, Sajid Nadiadwala.
Hi, thank you for those sweet words. Filmmaking is always a great experience, but with Dishum it came with added responsibility. Having sons of your best friend, Varun and Rohit, Lalima is there, and Janvi is there. It's a great responsibility to work with family, because if you go wrong, then you have problems at the dinner table. But great experience, and I hope you'll like the trailer. And I just want to invite one more person who's added into our family in Nadiadwala, and he is nobody but Waga, Mr. Akshay Khanna.
Ladies and gentlemen, media, persons in the media, thank you all for being here. It's wonderful to be back after so long, to be associated with this fabulous team. We've all gathered here to see the first promo of Dishum, so let's not delay it. Sajid bhai?
Yeah. Let's start the
Let's
promo,
start.
and then we'll be back.
All right.
Are you
Here we
excited,
go.
Rohit? Is Rohit excited?
We're all very excited.
The entire team, please, to first come and join me on stage as well, please. Sajid sir, Rohit, Akshay.
Sorry, I'm removing.
Your heels?
No.
No, okay.
Guys, I just have a small request. While the trailer was playing, everyone who was shooting it on their phone, it's extremely disheartening because there's a lot of effort and love that has been put into this. So please don't post that if you have it on your phone. Don't tweet it, don't Instagram it, because the trailer will officially be out on YouTube in a few
We'll give
hours.
you the link. Please tweet the link or post the link and send it to your friends. That'll be a
We want them to see it on
lot of help.
YouTube.
Yeah. Because we've got John, and John hates piracy, and you'll have to answer to him otherwise.
Yeah, see the muscles.
Please ask esteemed partner, Nandu from Eros, to join.
Yes. So we're opening the floor now to any questions.
Any, someone will raise their hands and we can send a mic across
Yes.
to you guys over there. Okay. हाँ, आलोक जी.
हाय जॉन वरुण, बेहतरीन ट्रेलर, मज़ा आया, कॉन्सेप्ट भी काफ़ी यूनिक सा लगा. शूटिंग के दौरान कई खबरें आई थी लाइक कि कभी आपको इंजरी हो रही है, कभी जॉन सर को इंजरी, तो वो दौर क्या था, और उस दौर के बाद जब ये ट्रेलर आप देखते हैं तो हाउ यू बोथ फील?
वो जो दौर था दौड़ने के वक्त हुआ था. जो मेरे भाई है, एक शॉट था जो गाड़ी के ऊपर जंप करना था मुझे, और इट वाज अराउंड आई थिंक 38 to 40 degrees and we were not getting the perfect take, and he's quite a perfectionist and we kept doing it again and again, and I think while jumping over the car my finger got stuck between the bonnet of the car and the other दूसरा हिस्सा है, and it was very hot as well, and because of that pain I think I got a heat stroke, and I don't think I fainted, but he claims
fainted.
he claims that I
काइंड ऑफ बेहोश हो गए थे टेक्निकली, मतलब कुछ 30 सेकंड के लिए. बट जो कमाल की बात है कि वरुण इस पिक्चर में चॉपर से भी लटके एज यू सॉ, बट तब उन्हें कुछ नहीं हुआ था, लेकिन जंपिंग ओवर दिस कार
क्योंकि उस वक्त मेरे सामने जॉन थे, तो मुझे लगा कि चॉपर को कुछ हो जाए तो ठीक है, कुछ और हो जाए तो मैं जॉन को पकड़ लूंगा, तो ठीक है, तो बच जाऊंगा.
जॉन सर, अगर आप
I think we had a lot of fun, great action, or I think the action sequences are very large in the film. It's a huge scale film, really huge.
जैकलीन, अगर आप किसी को ढिशुम कहना चाहें तो किसे कहेंगी और क्यों?
Any actress you mean?
No, Lisa.
Who?
Lisa.
Lisa Hayden.
Dishum. But I just have to say, actually, those lions that you saw, they were actually in front of us, and they were very scary, and so were the camels. So, just because we're talking about scary things.
साई साहब, एक तरफ हाउसफुल 1, 2, 3 आ रही है, एक तरफ डिशुम जैसी फिल्में भी आ रही हैं आपकी तरफ से, तो अभी और क्या क्या प्लानिंग है, क्योंकि ये 2016
बस हो गया
सर, बोलिए ना.
नहीं बस इस साल
No.
Dishum is last.
Come on.
This year Dishum is last.
Okay, it is last, but
आप डायरेक्ट करेंगे इस साल?
make something.
Not yet.
Next year.
Hi, I'm from the Bus Diary, this side to your right. Here.
Hi, what's up? How's it going?
Yeah. The trailer is mind-blowing, really fresh, not seen here at all.
Thank you.
My question is to the entire cast. This seems like a film which is really close to your hearts. Can you tell us all about one special moment which you had in this film which really made you feel this should work?
I think we'll start with Sajid sir, because I think why he greenlit this film.
We've been trying to work for about 3-4 years, and the first line when he told me, that took me about 2 minutes, 2 minutes line, and it was green lighted then.
Yeah, it was that immediate actually. You know, it's Sajid Bhai's instincts which are so strong, and he's always so decisive that it just gives me a lot of confidence. And it was just his reaction to the basic story that, you know, pushed me to just get on board and start writing it, and it just gave me a lot of energy and drive.
I think John.
I think just all of us coming together is fantastic. With Sajid, it's my second film. And I think for me, at least, he's grown more as a friend. And I can confidently say I'm really close to him today. Rohit is like my little brother. So it's after Desi Boys, I'm coming back with him. Varun and I, jo aapko dikh raha tha screen, on the screen, we're the same off the screen. Our chemistry is absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. And Jackie, of course, I've worked with her before. I'm working with her again. She's a sweetheart. Akshay, I mean, I've been a huge fan of Akshay. So the fact that he's in this film means so much to me personally. I think he's a fantastic actor. And the team, Eros, Nandu, you know, we're a good team together. So it just feels very nice to be on this film. It's very special. And it comes from our heart. We're not forcing a line here. It all comes from the heart.
Yeah.
For me, honestly, it is super emotional. He is my brother, and he is my hero in real life. And I even remember when Desi Boys had released, I went to every theatre, tried to find out what the audience reaction, and it's different. It's different from my film releasing. It's different from my father's film releasing or a friend's film releasing. I can't really put it in words how it feels when your own blood like gives his life to make something special. And honestly, I feel there's one person needed who has to be very obsessive when he's making a film, who has to give it his all. He either goes in all or nothing. And that was Rohit. And I'm proud that, you know, his madness has made this film work. And that's what you see on screen. It's all him.